Before you take your next trade, you're supposed to calculate how much you want to risk on that trade. And you can do that right on MetaTrader without using any third party application or website like myfxbook.com. Let me show you how.
Okay, so let's say you're taking a trade on AUD USD and you want to buy here. Sorry, you want to sell here. I'm just giving an example. You want to put your SL somewhere here and your TP maybe somewhere here. What you need to do is that you click on this two over here, the round one like the clock. You just click on it, then you can see buy limit. So you move it to wherever you want to sell. Let's say you are placing a sell limit over here. You put a sell limit there, and then when you look down here, you can see SL. Click on the SL, move it to wherever you want your SL to be. Now let's say we want to risk $100 on this trade. You can see the amount we would be losing if we should take this trade is appearing right here. That's the $48. So we keep on changing the lot size by clicking on the rectangular shape over here until we have the $100 we want to lose. So 65 is not giving me. Let me see 75. 79. Okay, 79 is giving me exactly $100, right? And then when you look down here, you can click on the TP to see how much you would gain when price hits your take profit. You understand? Yeah, so that is just it. You can use this for both instant execution trades and then limits too. If you want to use it for an instant execution trade, you just have to click on the same two, and then let's say you want to buy here, and then put your SL here, put your SL below. You want to buy here, and you want to keep your TP here. You just move them to wherever you want them to be, and then you keep on changing the lot size until you have the amount you want to lose, right? It's that simple. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you follow for more.